Okay, a quick review of minutes, converting minutes. We just did it, so why don't we do it again? I'm going to do this repeatedly. I'm going to show you stuff again and again and again. Minutes. What are minutes? They are 1440. How do we know? Take 24 over here. You can look at this stuff over here. Equals 24 times 60. That's 1440. Excel is going to look at this as 1440. If this is 1, this is going to be, I think we're going to get to 1, but it's a tiny number. We got 1 to 1440. Just for fun, F9. All we're doing is taking this, and I'm going to show you one just for the fun of it. Told you, it's a tiny number. It's 1440. 1 divided by 1440. And then to convert it over, what are we going to do? Without looking at anything else, simple math is, you're just going to multiply it. C5 times 1440. Do I need to go over anything else other than backing out here? Brad Williams, Excel Prime.